This is the new one-piece vertical bracket from Delonix radar. As you can see, it's holding a Escort Passport 9500i at the moment. The bracket works exactly the same as your conventional brackets, and that you can simply remove the radar detector and replace as necessary. Mounting the bracket on its side, or vertically as we say, will increase your detection range of polarized photo radars such as Multanova 6F. Most radar that is, when it leaves the radar gun, is fired out in a circular polarization, or basically comes out like a cone, but there are some radars which are polarized and therefore come out either horizontally or vertically polarized. Now, the radar detector antennas are typically set up for off-axis detection where possible, and when they are basically 90 degrees opposite to the Multanova, you're getting a reduced detection range on that signal. So just by mounting your radar detector on its side like this, you'll increase your detection range on Multanova 6F by around about 20 to 40%. In our tests, we've found that it dramatically smooths out all the inconsistencies that you get with the Bell and Escort radar detectors. More so, the Belltronics radar detectors for some reason are quite inconsistent with their Multanova warnings. One time you might get 300 meters warning, and then the next time you get 40 meters warning. So by mounting the detector on its side, it smooths out those inconsistencies, so you're constantly getting, a good couple of hundred meters warning. Does mounting it sideways decrease sensitivity on any other bands? Well, the short answer is no. As stated before, most radar is circular polarized, and it comes out of the gun in a cone-like fashion, so it's not going to make any difference whether you mount the detector on its side or mount it horizontally. Normally, it will still detect it the same. The only thing that will decrease is, and slightly, is your off-axis detection. So detecting radar from around a curve, around a bend. We've done some tests already. You can see on YouTube at the reduction that you get when you mount the detector on its side. For the 9500, we found that reduction is around about 10%. So if you can live with a 10% off-axis reduction in radar detection, but gain a 20 to 40% increase in Multanova detection, then it's definitely worthwhile mounting it this way. There's no effect on laser. We have another video showing it detecting laser perfectly mounted in this way, and there really are no other negatives. If you mount the radar detector up high next to your rear vision mirror, you'll find that it's still very discreet, out of the way. The power cord plugs directly into the side. With the 9500, it's sitting on top through there, as you can see, and it's still a very discreet installation.